screw on the bowl of this Carbie has worked its way loose, and my Carbie is just leaking fuel quite profusely at this stage, and I'm not going to carry on until I've got that sorted out. So I booked into a motel here in Coonabarabran and I'm going to just do some running repairs on this, see if I can just take the Carbie off, tighten everything up, and that'll sort this issue out for me. So alright, so here's the problem. I can just get down to where the Carbie is. Let's see if I've got a finger in there. Let me get this right in there. So I've lost the screw on this side, on the left side of the bowl, and that could be a major issue for me because these screws have very, very specific threads, and I'll take the Carbie off, but I might have to get Cole to courier the spare Carbie to me today, and so I can swap it out or just get the screw off that. But come what may, I've got to take this Carbie off. So that's the job ahead. Alright, well, I seem to have cracked this problem. I have repurposed a screw with the right diameter and thread. Very lucky, and you can see I've bodged it a bit. It's a bit long because it comes from this air filter breather hose that fits on to this box here, and it's a real tight fit, and I really don't think it needs that screwing it down that tightly on there. So I've tightened up the screw on the other side, tightened that one. I don't have any Loctite, unfortunately, but I think that's going to do it. I had Col on standby to courier my other Carbie to me here at the motel, but I think I've gotten away with this one. So yep, there we go. So all I've got to do is put this all back together and make sure it fires up okay. There you go, purring like a kitten. So definitely solved that problem. That little shiny screw in there. Behind that pipe. Anyway, yeah, problem solved. Idling away. I love these fog lights on the front. They really do a job. Probably not that noticeable on the camera, but I'll tell you what, this bike is noticeable with them. Oh, this is idling so nicely now. That should have given me a good hint, the fact that I couldn't get it to idle properly, and I thought it was just the fuel filters that I'd installed, but clearly not. So there you go.